Philosophy. To start the introduction of the outline of PMDA, its philosophy and historical background will be explained as the first topic. Originally, different organizations within or associated with the Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare, MHLW in short, had been involved in each activities such as clinical trial consultation, inspection, product review, and safety measures. Then, integrating them together, PMDA was established in April 2004 as an incorporated administrative regulatory agency because there was a limit to further increasing the number of staff members and developing the structure as governmental organizations. It means that PMDA has gained more flexibility than the previous organizations combined. Needless to say, PMDA still works together with MHLW to deliver pharmaceuticals and medical devices in a timely manner to Japanese citizens. In Japan, there are two regulatory authorities, MHLW and PMDA, and this slide shows their respective roles. PMDA's main responsibilities are scientific reviews for drugs and medical devices, GCP or GMP inspections, and consultation on clinical trials, etc. Meanwhile, MHLW assumes higher-level responsibilities such as final authorization of medical products, publishing guidelines, organizing advisory committee, and support or supervision of PMDA activities. PMDA has its main office in Tokyo, with two small branches, one in the Kansai area, west part of Japan, located in the building next to Osaka Station, the other in the Hokuriku area, actually in Toyama Prefecture. Some special consultations for venture companies and academia, called as Pharmaceutical Affairs Consultation on R&D Strategy, can be conducted via the Kansai branch. In the Hokuriku branch, seminar facilities for the PMDA-ATC has been established for GMP seminars and related activities. However, most activities are conducted and completed in the Tokyo office. PMDA's philosophy was created in 2008 by our senior colleagues. Everyone who used to be in PMDA contributed to the creation of the philosophy then. The most important point among the principles is mentioned on the first bullet. It states that our mission is to protect public health and the lives of our citizens. It is this mission that enabled significant reduction of the so-called drug lag, which means the delay in introducing new drugs in Japan, by bringing together everyone's mindset to focus our daily work accordingly. As this philosophy is written on the reverse side of our ID card, we sometimes have a look at this and remind ourselves. PMDA Chief Executive Dr. Fujiwara Yasuhiro has led the organization with 4 priorities called as 4 F's since he took the position in April 2019. The first priority is the patient. PMDA will conduct its operation, placing the first priority on the satisfaction of patients through good communications with clinical sites. The second is access to most needed drugs and medical devices. PMDA will further accelerate timely access to the drugs and medical devices which can provide the best medical practice for the patients, while maintaining proper balance of benefits and risks. The third is safety. PMDA will conduct post-marketing surveillance and distribution supervision, suitable for its expedited approval schemes, that is, conditional early approval and sakigake designation schemes, with the priority on securing safety. The fourth priority is Asia. PMDA will actively contribute to pharmaceutical regulatory harmonization in Asia and promote improved public health not only in Japan, but also in Asia overall, solidifying reliance on our regulatory system as well. These priorities underscore the philosophy of PMDA, written on the backside of ID cards worn by PMDA staff, which they take a look occasionally and reconfirm their mission. Regulatory science is the backbone of PMDA, which was promoted by Dr. Mitsuru Uchiyama, Deputy Director General of the National Institute of Health Sciences at the time. Regulatory science is the science where merit and demerit of the technological advancement will be assessed and optimized for the welfare of society. PMDA established the Regulatory Science Center in 2018, and the concept has been vigorously promoted in the formulation of guidelines and in discussions by the Science Board to contribute to the introduction of innovative medical technologies. Another key word for PMDA is rational medicine, proposed by Dr. Tatsuya Kondo, the former chief executive of PMDA, and the initiative was launched in 2017. In this concept, medical products will be studied from all available scientific and technological measures and will be served for the best overall interest of the patients. Please refer to the website indicated in this slide for more details. PMDA has developed a 5-year midterm plan since its inauguration in 2004, and we are now operating under the 4th midterm plan shown in this slide. The key concepts of the 4th midterm plan are based on the safety triangle. One is active contribution to health and security of Japanese citizens, and the other is further advancement of the safety triangle through cross-organizational activities. Our goal is to provide Japanese society with better healthcare services based on the safety triangle, which we intend to strengthen every day.